Valerian tincture has a moderately pronounced sedative effect. The sedative effect comes on slowly, but quite steadily, facilitates the onset of natural sleep. In addition, the drug has an antispasmodic effect on the smooth muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, has a cholinergic effect, increases the secretion of the glands of the gastrointestinal tract. Indications: increased nervous excitability, insomnia, as part of complex therapy, functional disorders of the cardiovascular system, spasms of the gastrointestinal tract. How to use: apply inside before meals, diluted in a small amount of water. Adults 20 to 30 drops per reception, 3 to 4 times a day. Children 1 drop for each year of life, 1 to 3 times a day. The course of treatment is up to 4 weeks. Repeated courses of treatment are possible after agreement with your doctor. Contraindications: hypersensitivity to the components of the drug, pregnancy, breastfeeding, children age up to 1 year. Interaction: the drug enhances the effect of hypnotics, sedatives, and other drugs that depress the central nervous system, as well as antispasmodics. Side effects: possible lethargy, weakness, drowsiness, depression, decreased performance, especially when using in high doses. With prolonged use, constipation. In some cases, allergic reactions may develop.